And we think this persecution has been provoked by the independence of mind that has been exhibited by the control of budget, especially her remarks at the National Dialogue Committee sittings, where she condemned the enhanced taxation measures by the current regime, including the housing levy. If the president wants political war with the Abagusii community, then we are ready for it. And we want to warn the president that enough is enough for the Abagusii community. This is perhaps the only high-ranking position that we have as the Abagusii community. We don't have any PS. We don't have a permanent secretary from the Abagusii community. So we don't understand why it's taken, if this offense was alleged to have been committed in 2016. Why now? Why now? And even the circumstances under which Madam Nyakang was arrested sends a message of a regime that is out to silence members of independent commissions who want to express themselves freely and in accordance with the law and the constitution. And we condemn these coward acts by the executive, and we appeal to Kenyans of goodwill to join us in resisting this primitive persecution of people serving in independent commissions.
Officer who has committed an offense should not be arrested and charged. But clearly, when the controller of budget of the Republic of Kenya is arraigned, when we know that government disbursements to various government agencies, including the bursary money, has not been processed and released. So clearly, this is either an attempt to derail the government operations, or is drama being created to justify why funds have not been released to various government agencies. As Member of Parliament of West Mugirango, where Dr. Margaret Nyakang hails from, I stand with instructions from the people of West Mugirango and Gusii to say that an attack on Dr. Margaret Nyakang, as has happened today, is an attack on the accountancy profession, and I invite ISPAC to rise to the occasion. It is an attack on women professionals of this republic, and I invite women of this republic to stand and deal with this. It is an attack on our constitution, and we will not take it lying down.
Let me now tell you what Ms. Nyakang has done. She basically came out and said the store has been broken into and the money is being taken. She said it. You guys are members of the media. So you had her say so. The consolidated fund is now easy accessibly available. The control of budgets has no access to it. What we are talking about is that people who are doing their jobs are now being victimized and are now being taken to court. In fact, some of us who are critics of the government are expected to be taken to court. Can they hurry up and come and get some of us quickly? Because we are not going to stop this nonsense. We will talk about the issues, we will raise them. Madam Nyakang has been saying it. We are mismanaging our finances and we are mismanaging our country.